Hi, this is Mr. Ward, and this is going to be a video key for Do Now 13.1, week 13, day 1. So we're supposed to calculate this product. The product is 1/6 times 1/4, and that's not so complicated. It's 1/6 times 1/4 will be 1 times 1 over 6 times 4, so 1 over 24 is the product. But what does this have to do with the probability of rolling a 6 and drawing a heart from a deck of cards? Well, the chances of rolling a 6 is on a 6-sided die is 1 in 6. So chance of rolling a 6 on what we'll call a D6, that's the language of gaming with involving dice, and drawing a heart, the chance of drawing a heart is 1 out of 4, because there are 13 out of 52 cards that are hearts in a regular deck. 13/52 is 1/4. So, and the combined probability, which we call a compound probability. If you didn't know that word, that's fine. Is 1/6 times, is the product of those probabilities. So that's 1 out of 6 times 1 out of 4, which becomes 1 out of 24. So this next one, what does this mean? I didn't ask what it is. I asked, what does it mean? This means 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is going to be a concept that's going to be really useful when we're working with probability, because a lot of probability involves counting up possibilities. And if I draw a card from a deck and I don't put it back in, so there's 52 ways I could draw that first card. I draw a second card from that deck, and I didn't put that first card back. Now there's 51 ways I can draw a card. So that's 52 times 51 possibilities. And so we can keep going. We have 52 times 51 times 50 times blah, blah, blah. So this also means simply 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Just multiplying all the numbers in steps down. So let's think about a sneaky way that we could solve this. Well, since this top one is 11 times 10 times da 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 da, and the bottom one is 9 times 8 times, we can actually cancel out. So the top one would be 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. That's what the exclamation point means. And then we're dividing that by 9 factorial. So that's just going to be 11 times 10, which will be 110. And you don't need a calculator for that. Just remind you that grades closed on Friday, but if you're still working on any proportion levels, I can accept them up until tomorrow. If you need more time, communicate with me. I'll try and work with you. Please let me know, of course, if you get something handled, and then I'll know to make sure to go and look for it. Just flag it. I'll have a lot on my hands because I'm working on report cards, so help me out with that, please. If you need any refreshers or instructions on any of your last few levels, please let me know, and I'll take a little bit of time out of class to do that. And then I just want to know what your comfort is on calculating simple probabilities. All right, I'm going to stop sharing, and I hope this